To get started making butterbeer, you will need to make butterscotch first. For this, you will need 2/3 cup brown sugar, 1/3 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup coconut milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Placing a small saucepod over low heat, melt the coconut oil. Once melted, add the sugar and allow to rest for 1 to 3 minutes. Increase heat slightly and begin stirring until sugar starts to dissolve in the oil. Take your time and do not increase the heat too high. Brown sugar is easy to burn and can create a mess in your pan. Once the sugar has taken on a goopier state, carefully add the coconut milk. This will sputter, so be very careful not to burn yourself. Stir vigorously to dissolve the brown sugar. Butterscotch will look like caramel sauce when completed. Stir in salt and set aside in a warm area. Next, I'll show you how to make a stabilized aquafaba whip. For this, you will need 1 cup liquid from a chickpea can. This is known as aquafaba. 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1 1/2 teaspoon of powdered agar. 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of toasted marshmallow flavor. To get started, heat aquafaba to a boil. Then whisk in agar to dissolve. Remove from heat and allow to chill for a short period of time. While the mixture is still somewhat hot, add it to the bowl of a mixer. If allowed to cool too much, agar will begin to solidify before the aquafaba is whipped. Whip this mixture until froth forms. Add cream of tartar, and after about 8 minutes total, the aquafaba should start to resemble whipped cream. At this point, add powdered sugar, vanilla, marshmallow flavor, and about 3 spoonfuls of butterscotch. Whip this for an additional 2 minutes. If needed, scrape the sides and mix just a bit more to finish. Lastly, we will need to do a bit of mixology. Pour cream soda into a tall clear glass. Add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, then add 2 to 3 heaping spoonfuls of butterscotch. Stir well to dissolve, and top with aquafaba whip. Your butterbeer is done. For the full recipe, check out the link to my blog post in the description. If you like what I do here on the Veggie Nerd, please consider subscribing to my channel and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with future uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.